I'm back. I'm back. Welcome back to video. It's been a while. Today I'm back on I'm back at YouTube now. Today we're up to I'm up to 42. I'll be playing on PC4 because we got a PC by the way. So I'm back because we're getting the Windows 10 PC. And by the way, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Microsoft Ultimate Word games. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing Wordmat right now, and then next one we're going to do is now we're going to try to twist. We're going to try to make 4-letter words this time. If I use hints, you can use the hints allowed. You can use yes, you can use hints allowed if you want. Oh, our dogs, alright. This is too easy right now. That tail doesn't work, but it's okay. I'm just doing too easy stuff for now. I forgot what I was supposed to be doing. So the bird is itching. If you want to use you want to use hits, that's fine. That's all I'm using right now is by the way, and what is this on my headband? What is this on my headband? Is a new headband that I've got. Still haven't found my old one yet. I lost it like last year. Yeah. And I say, cause look at me, right? Hey, look, if I use a headband, look at this, right? You used to not use any hair. Well, you can use a hair tie or ponytail or whatever it is, or a headband ponytail. If I win, I get like 250 points. Too easy. If I take my S off, look at this. You look at my hair. So I'm back on YouTube now. Oh, hang on, no, wait. Let's do a challenge, daily challenge. Ads. Sorry about that, guys, since it's just ads or anything. So the first one is going to try use SAS. Okay, and first two. So LUDs. Oh, that's very hard. Alright. Okay. C. Oh. It is 2 anyway. Let's try to restart this right now. Let's see if we are right now. Ooh. Oh, I have about this. Nope. Cat. Oh, okay. How about oh. You will use that. Oh, oh. Song. Alright. Goodbye. Not enough moves now. That's a fail. We're not doing any more challenges now. Enough of this now. Oh, you want to do multiplayer? Or goodbye. Oh, good. So the next one we're gonna do right now is Sword Twister. Have done these for a long time now. We're gonna get blue words, purple as a burst twister. Oh, how are we gonna buy? SC. Oh. Okay. C. Okay. V. Sis. If you vote sis, it pops up. If you vote bonus, it pops up, so. Come on, man. C's. So, if we unlock the burst twister, that'd be cool. I was thinking very good, it's sometimes hard. Ooh. Okay. So. Ooh. Ice. 2 and C's. Sauce. Oh. Sauce. Oh. Ooh. S-E. E or E's. Oh. I'm just using hits right now, so I can make it. to all. Okay, what else is there? O-I-S-E. Was. We unlocked the Burns Twister, which I complete all. So let's say we up I. We done side. Okay, here's the big one. Oh. Alright, we're gonna head. I'll say about that. S, E. Okay. R. Alright, up to Burns Twister. Ooh. I'm gonna go to D, E, G, O, O, F. Oh, hang on. Okay, or dog. That's very hard now. We're gonna have to go next puzzle. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be doing that'll do for today's video. So guys, have a good day and I like making intros. See you guys later. Bye bye.